What my dog teaches me about advertising. Part 1. Ad Matrix. Number 1. Gain awareness. Awareness. The goal is to achieve high impression. Impressions equals number of views your ads gain. Number 2. Consideration. Consideration. The goal is to achieve high clicks and click-through rate, CTR. Click equals I'm interested. Let's find out more. Click-through rate equals total clicks over total impressions. Number 3. Conversion. Conversion. The goal is to optimize advertising cost of sales, ACost. Stay tuned for future videos on metrics optimization. 1 minute learning with AdSwitch and the cute puppy.